Step into a world of innovation and marvel at the remarkable technologies that defined the era. From 1920 to 1960, from the electrifying thrill of radio broadcasting to the captivating allure of China or television, experience the pulse of a rapidly evolving world. Feel the exhilaration as mass-produced automobiles revolutionized transportation, and marvel at the soaring achievements of aircraft, taking flight into uncharted skies. But wait, there's more. Witness the birth of modern computing, the awesome power of nuclear energy, and the daring adventures of a space exploration as humanity reaches for the stars. Stay connected with the groundbreaking advancements in telecommunications and be amazed by the transformative impact of the tiny yet mighty transistor, and hold on to your hats, as the world of manufacturing is forever changed by the revolutionary introduction of plastics, shaping a future filled with endless possibilities. So buckle up and get ready to embark on a thrilling journey through the technologies of yesteryear, where every discovery sparks excitement and ignites the imagination.